this is one of my favorite looks. This is like the sophisticated lash with red lip. It's something that I do literally all the time when I'm wearing black. And just to give my eye a little bit of shadow, I'm going to go into some bronzer. And I know you can't really see the front of it, like the Rimmel sign has like literally came off. But this is the number 22 in Sun Bronze. And this is actually a waterproof powder. So we're just adding this with a big fluffy brush just to give it a lot more shadow. Apply my lashes. I'm just going to go in with my Iconolast mascara and apply this to my lashes. For lashes, I'm going to go into one of my favorites. This is the Ritz Republic Seductive eyelashes. I use this in literally all my videos. They're top notch, my favorite lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these and I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is the Radiance Primer and I'm going to apply this all over my face. I'm just going to grab this Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For Mattifying Primer and I just apply this all over my T-zones areas where I know I'm going to get oily throughout the day. So I'm going to grab my favorite foundation of all time. This is the Milani 2-in-1 Concealer and Foundation and this is the color 2. I'm just going to apply it to a damp beauty blender and start putting it all over the face. Bring it down to the neck. And when you're applying this, you just want to make sure you're not like literally like hitting your skin. You kind of just want it to bounce off. That way it gives you a more flawless look. And obviously you want to have your beauty blender damp. You don't want it dry because when you're leaving it dry, it's going to take off a lot more product. And you don't want it soaking wet because it's not going to apply as much product as you want. So getting it damp and just bouncing it on the skin is going to have it looking so perfect. And I always put it on my ears just so everything can match up. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm breaking out so bad. Like I've never broke out like this before. Like it literally just came out of nowhere. So I'm going to do my best to cover that up. My ears. And everyone always asks, like, why do I take my foundation to my ears? It's because my face is like a totally different color than my like body and my ears are, which I know is so weird. So I usually put my hair behind my ears, so I don't want it to look like, you know, my face and neck is one color and my ears are like totally a different color. So I just add it on that way just because that way everything can match. You know, I just don't want to look crazy. So I'm just going to take some concealer and start concealing my face and anywhere where I want it to be highlighted. So while the powder is setting, I'm just going to go ahead and contour the face. I'm going to go into the NYX contour stick that I used in the color Cocoa Bean. I'm going to grab my Morphe M436 brush and start blending my contour in. I'm just going to go in and start pushing that powder into my skin that's underneath the eyes. And you want to really do this gently. You don't want to like push it away. You literally are like pressing it into your skin. I'm going to go back into that Rimmel Bronzer and I'm just going to start bronzing my face up. I'm just going to take my Ansthetica P12 brush and start bronzing. I'll be grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. This is what it looks like inside. I'm just going to go more for this darker shade, which is the color Vegas. So moving on to highlighter, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. And I'm just going to be applying this all over and just, you know, just shining out the world. You know what I mean? Just shining out the world. So I'll just go ahead and start applying this all over my face. It's my favorite part. I honestly haven't wore highlighter. You guys, I haven't really been wearing makeup. I haven't worn highlighter in over like 2 weeks. I literally haven't been wearing any makeup. I've been letting my face breathe a lot. And I think it's done with reading. Welcome back. Welcome back. For lips, I'm just going to jump into my NYX Natural Lip Liner and start outlining my lips. Lips, I'm just going to go into the Too Faced Rebel Heart lipstick and apply this to my lips. To top this off, I'm going to go into the NYX Matte Lip in the color Ibiza. I think that the problem with me is I'll use like literally like 4 different lipstick colors to make that like one perfect color, and like I'll go out and I'll have girls come up to me like, oh my god, like what lip color are you wearing? And I feel so awkward because it's like, well, I'm wearing this one and this one and this one and this one. Like I can't help it. Like I'll put one on, it's like literally like 10% of the time I'll put on a lipstick like just one color and like that color. Like literally, usually I'll be mixing so many different colors to get the color that I want, and sometimes in the end I'll mix so many colors together and then I just end up taking it off because I don't even like the color that it came out to. So usually that's why when I post like the products, I'll sometimes have like 3 lip colors in there because I literally mix a whole bunch of them. But yeah, that's why I added 2, because that red was like too red. It's not creaming up, a little dry, so adding a creamer just helped a lot. Last but not least, you guys already know what's about to go down. We're going to use Iconic London Prep Set and Glow. We're going to mix this bad boy up and we're just going to set the whole face. Whew. So I'm just going to add some to my chest. As I told you guys before, when I have like anything open like this, I like adding it to my chest, to my neck, and literally you'll be glowing all day, and it's so beautiful. And it's not like, you know, it's not like too like glowy. It's literally like the perfect glow, especially when the sun hits. Girl. Alright guys, and that completes my look for today. I promise you can never go wrong with some lashes and a beautiful bold red lip. I swear this is like the signature look for girls worldwide. If you guys did enjoy, please give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, as well as hit that notification bell at the top of the video so whenever I post, you'll be the first to know. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!